ang bumagsak iba. O ano yan? Di ko kasamakan, dalawang ikaw niya. Magpapapit sa bakulan. Saan ka ba ang agilis ng higit?
We're here to fight for our culture, our heritage, our history, our art. And regardless what happens tonight, we are here to make history, to make a mark on this stage for the Philippines and for everyone who wants to represent the art of dance. So thank you very much. Kami ang Mandirigma. Salamat. Thank you.
Thank you!
TPM, everybody!
TPM, everybody!
Wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Great.
All right.
Today is a very emotional day. I keep